Hello, children and dear parents. Welcome to today's English class. I hope you all are happy and healthy and safe. Children, are you familiar with these objects that you see? Have you seen these things anywhere? Can you tell me what are these things made of? You can see different types of things, but these are made from same material. Yes, can you see furniture is there? Then there is also a bridge. Then there are baskets, houses. So what are these things made of? Yes, you have guessed it right. These are made of bamboo. We use bamboo to make many things which we use in our daily life, like baskets, furniture, houses, bridges, especially in villages. But can you guess? We also use bamboo for cooking. We can even use bamboo in a curry. Another interesting thing which we can make from bamboo is bamboo curry. Okay, let us see how. And this brings us to our today's lesson. The name of the lesson is bamboo curry. Now, this story is about the Santhal people. Santhals are a group of tribal people living in the area of Jharkhand, Orissa and parts of West Bengal. Children, can you see the map here? Yes, the pink portion, that is the area where the Santhals usually live. And in the picture you can see the traditional dress of the Santhal women. Let us know a little more about the Santhals. Their houses, food, dress, festivals, art and craft. Can you see the houses of the Santhal people? Yes, beautifully decorated, isn't it? They have painted the walls and mostly they make these houses with bamboo. You can also see Santhal women working with bamboo and a picture of a Santhal women in the jewelry, in their traditional dress. And can you see a group of Santhal men and women dancing? Yes, this is how they celebrate their traditional festival. You see, they live mostly in the jungles or in the village area and they worship nature. You can see the picture of their traditional food. Then the cloth they weave. They make their own cloth at home. They weave their own cloth. Then the traditional painting. Can you see the picture? This is how they decorate their walls also. You remember the house of the Santhals? And this is their traditional dress. Okay, I have told you all this to just give you an idea about the Santhal people. Now let us come to the story. The story goes like this. One day, the mother-in-law of a Santhal bridegroom cooked a special dish for him when he visited her. This curry is delicious. What is it? The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. So a man went to his mother-in-law's house. Who is a mother-in-law? The mother of a person's wife is known as mother-in-law, and the person will be the son-in-law. So the son-in-law went to the mother-in-law's house and mother-in-law gave him food to eat, and he found the dish to be very tasty. So when he asked the mother-in-law, what is it made of? The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. Next morning, just as he was about to leave, he remembered that there is no bamboo in his village. So he removed the bamboo door and carrying it with him, left for his home. On reaching his village, he told his wife, "Make curry with this bamboo door." So you can see in the picture, he's carrying the bamboo door with him. Why? Because he found the dish to be so tasty, he wanted to have more of it. He wanted to eat more. So he took the door with him to his house, to his village. And then he told his wife, "Make curry with this bamboo door." Because when the mother-in-law pointed towards the door, he thought that the dish is made out of door, bamboo door. So he took the door with him to his own village. She was shocked. "How can I make curry out of a bamboo door?" "Come, I'll help you by chopping up the bamboo," he said. His wife boiled it and boiled it. Later, when her husband tasted it, he said, "It's too hard to eat. You don't know how to cook." So the wife was surprised. "How can I make curry with a bamboo door?" But then the man told, "Come, I'll help you. Let me chop it into pieces." Can you see the picture, children, of chopping bamboo? Okay, so he chopped the bamboo into pieces and then he said, "Now you can cook it." But when she was cooking, she kept on boiling it, but it still remained hard. So the man was angry. He said, "No, you don't know how to cook it." His wife added more water and boiled it and boiled it. "It's still too hard. I can't eat it." So the wife boiled it little more. Okay, but even then it remained hard. So the man was not able to understand. He kept on telling his wife, "I can't eat it." The in-laws came to visit the young couple that evening. They all laughed at his foolishness. The mother-in-law said, "Didn't you know the curry was made from bamboo shoot and not from a bamboo door?" Okay, now did you understand, children, why the bamboo curry was not cooking properly? Because it was made of bamboo shoot. And what was the man doing? He brought the bamboo door. Okay, what is the shoot? You can see the picture. Can you see the picture of a bamboo shoot? Okay, that triangular cone kind of a thing that you see, that part grows on top of the soil. Okay, before the bamboo is fully grown, the shoot appears. And that part is used for cooking. See, I have given you shown you the pictures of a bamboo shoot. Conical. Can you see the pointed things? The skin is taken off and it looks white like this. And then it is chopped, that is cut into small pieces in strips, and it is boiled and cooked. Okay, children, have you ever seen a bamboo shoot or anything cooked out of bamboo shoot? Yes. There are many, even in this part of the country, in Assam and in other northeastern states also, bamboo shoot is a very famous dish. People use bamboo shoot for cooking or making pickles also. Okay, can you see? Now do you understand the difference? The curry was not cooked with that full bamboo. Okay, it was made out of a bamboo shoot. That shoot appears when the bamboo is just starting to grow. Now see, it is not only that bamboo shoot is cooked like this. Bamboo is used for many other ways of cooking also. Can you remember? During Bihu, pitha is also made by cooking rice and coconut inside the bamboo. What is it called, children? Yes, those who are from Assam will know. Sunga pitha. Yes, that is another way in which bamboo is used for cooking. Then different vegetables are stuffed inside the bamboo, and also that is cooked over fire, and then the vegetables are taken out of the bamboo and cooked. Rice is cooked. Then pickle is made out of bamboo shoot, as I told you earlier. So bamboo is used in a variety of ways. It's a very useful plant. Okay, children? Did you enjoy the story? Now let us read aloud the new words. The first one, impatient. What is the meaning of impatient? Not ready to wait. For example, you saw in the story, the bridegroom was impatient to eat the bamboo curry. He wanted that his wife should cook it, and he was not ready to wait. He wanted to eat it as soon as possible. Okay, repeat with me, impatient. Next word is delicious. What is the meaning of delicious? Tasty. Yes. Next word, boiled. Next, chopped. What is the meaning of chopped? To cut vegetables in small pieces. You can see the picture. The chef is cutting the vegetables. Before cooking, we need to chop the vegetables. Bamboo began. Now let us discuss the exercises in the textbook. Complete the sentences meaningfully. Okay, you have now read the story, so you have to fill in the blanks with the suitable word. So you can do it, I think. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Number 2 is word hunt. Fill in the blanks with words from the story. Okay. For example, number 1, the bridegroom went to visit his dash. Who did he go to visit? He went to visit his mother-in-law. Okay, so you will complete these exercises. You will read the story, read aloud the words, the new words, and also complete this exercises. With this, we come to the end of the lesson. Did you come to know now how bamboo is used in a variety of ways? I hope you enjoyed the story. Do read the story on your own. Thank you. Stay safe.